Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps required to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. You can download an Ubuntu image file from the official website. I have already downloaded it. Now open VirtualBox. Click on New and type any OS name. From the Type drop-down menu choose Linux and select Ubuntu from the version menu. Click on Next. Here choose Memory and Processors. After that choose Space for the virtual hard disk. Click on Finish. Now do some other settings. Click on Start. Here choose Downloaded Disk Image File. Now you will see two options to try or install OS. To proceed, click Install Ubuntu. You will be asked to select your keyboard layout as you want. Once you've chosen the right one, click Continue. You will have to choose between the normal installation and minimal installation options. In other options, you have to uncheck the Download Updates option. This screen allows you to configure your installation. Here, select Erase Disk and Install option. Now click on Continue. Select your location and time zone from the map screen and click Continue. On this screen, you will be prompted to enter your name and the name of your computer. You can choose to log in automatically or require a password. Now sit back and wait to finish the installation process. Once the installation process is completed, restart your machine. Enter your password to login. That's all done. We've successfully installed the new Ubuntu operating system in VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.